Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving 1% family. I am your soul fan, Chels and Twist. Come on guys with me and let us play volleyball. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story. The light at the end of the tunnel. So now let's go. Jett and Peter had been best friends since childhood and inseparable through thick and thin. They grew up in a small town, sharing dreams, laughter, and even their struggles. Jett was always the optimist, full of energy and hope, while Peter was the quiet thinker, the one who often found doubt himself but found strength in his friend's unwavering positivity. Life seemed promising until one day tragedy struck. Jett's father passed away suddenly, leaving behind a mountain of debts and responsibilities. The burden fell on Jett, who had to quit his studies and take up odd jobs to support his family. Peter, seeing his best friend's once bright spirit dim, he stood by him and offering whatever support he could. As the months went by, Jett's life seemed to spiral downward. His once hopeful dream now felt distant, and no matter how hard he worked, the debts only seemed to grow. Despair began to settle in, and for the first time Jett felt truly lost. He would sit in the silence, staring at the ground, his mind clouded with the thoughts of failure and hopelessness. One evening, while they were sitting on the quiet hill overlooking the town, Jett finally broke down. "I can't do this anymore, Peter," he said. "There is no light at the end of this tunnel. Everything's falling apart." Peter, who had always been the one to lean on the Jett's optimism, felt a surge of determination rise within him. He looked at his friend, eyes filled with empathy, and said, "Jett, you have always been my light when I couldn't see the way forward. You never gave up on me, and now it's my turn to remind you of who you are. Tunnels are dark, yes, but there is always light if you keep moving forward." Inspired by Peter's words, Jett wiped his tears. Peter continued, "We will get through this together. You do not have to carry this burden alone. Let us make a plan, step by step. If there is no light now, we will create it ourselves." The next day, Peter helped Jett to organize his finances, and they started a small business together using their combined skills and savings. It was not easy. There were setbacks, moments of doubt, and the time when things seemed bleak. But every time Jett felt like giving up, but Peter was there to remind him of their shared vision, the light at the end of the tunnel. Months passed and slowly their hard work paid off. The business grew and the debts lessened. Jett's family found stability and his spirit returned stronger and more resilient than ever. Through it all, the bond between the Jett and Peter deepened, proving that the true friendship is not just about being there for the good times, but about pulling each other through the darkest moments. In last moral of the story is, even in the darkest of times, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. When life seems overwhelming, it is the support of true friends that can reignite our hope and push us forward. No challenge is insurmountable when faced with courage, resilience, and the strength of friendship. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you. Goodbye, good luck. I am your soul friend, Chels and Twist.